Hello everyone, you are on ATSR channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to make icons smaller on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Long tap on the screen. Tap on settings. Then tap on more. If you want to make icons smaller on Redmi, find home screen layout, tap here, then tap here, tap on apply. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.